Did you ever wonder why bananas are curved? Sounds random, right? But there's a reason, and it has everything to do with the fight against gravity. Bananas don't start out curved. In fact, they grow downward like any normal fruit, until they start craving something. Any guesses what that is? That's right, sunlight. Bananas begin their journey by hanging down, but as they grow bigger, they start turning upwards. It's called negative geotropism. Sounds fancy, right? It's just a battle against gravity to reach the sun. Gravity pulls them down, but the sun pulls them up, resulting in that perfect, iconic curve we all know. It's like they're reaching for success, just like us. Oh, and those stringy things you peel off? They're called phloem bundles. They actually transport nutrients throughout the banana. Yep, even those annoying little strings have a job. So next time you grab a banana, remember, it's not just curved for looks, it's a fighter. It grows, adapts, and curves toward the sun for its survival. And here's the fun part, bananas aren't the only ones growing upward. Maybe we're all a little like them, trying to reach for our own light, even when life pulls us down.